While slurping oysters is not likely to replace popping a pill, could molluscs help in the fight against superbugs? A new discovery out of Southern Cross University shows the blood of Sydney rock oysters contains proteins that kill bacteria and improves antibiotic effectiveness. The blood, a circulatory fluid known as hemolymph, is white to blue in colour. Southern Cross University researchers found proteins in the hemolymph prevented or disrupted biofilm formation. Bacteria that cause infections often escape from antibiotics and the immune system by forming biofilms to protect themselves. Antibiotics have been the go-to treatment for bacterial infections since the early 20th century. Unfortunately, the overuse of antibiotics has helped create drug-resistant superbugs, one of the world's most urgent public health problems. Southern Cross University's discovery brings hope for the development of natural alternatives derived from oyster blood to treat infections. Eating oysters in the meantime could help keep respiratory bugs away.